Hello and welcome to this section, uploading Docker images to Docker Hub and automation. In the previous section, we saw how to run a web app in a set of Docker containers as microservices. In this section, we'll see how to share your Docker image via the Docker Hub. This section will cover these areas. First, we'll see the creation of a Docker Hub repo. In here, we'll be working with Docker Hub repositories. Next is the pushing of an image to the Docker Hub. And then we'll see how to manage Docker image versions. Next is Docker image automation. This is a very important and interesting video. We will use GitHub to automate Docker image creation. Here we'll learn the concept of automated builds in Docker Hub using GitHub. After quickly summarizing this section, we'll have an interesting project at the end. Make sure you try it out. Creating a Docker Hub repo, that is working with the Docker Hub. In order to create a Docker Hub repo, we'll first visit the website https://hub.docker.com. So, before proceeding, make sure that you have signed up for an account. Once you're logged in, you will see links or menus to these options. That is, create organization, create repository public or private, explore repositories, and create automated builds. The create organization button is used to create organizations and teams. An organization can have multiple teams with each team having different permissions. Organization will also have unique namespace. This is useful for providing access to shared image repositories. Create image repository button is the option that we will be using mainly in this section. This is the option that enables us to create new repositories. Here we will have to choose a namespace for our repository, which will be same as our Docker ID. After that, you have to enter a name for your repository. These two are the required fields for creating a repository. Next, you can fill in a short description, full description if any, for your repo. Please note that the short description is needed if you want your image listed when we do Docker search command line option. Finally, we have to select the visibility for our repo. You can have public or private repositories. As the name suggests, public repository will be visible to the whole public and private will not be accessible to the public and can only be pulled if you are logged in as a valid user, which has access to this private repo. You have to keep in mind that the free or default Docker Hub account only allows one private repository. If you want to have more, you should upgrade your account. Explore repositories menu. Using this option, we'll be able to browse and explore images that are there in the Docker Hub. We can explore public repositories even if we are not logged in or have a Docker ID. Create automated builds menu is the option that enables us to automatically create builds from Docker file added to a GitHub or a Bitbucket repo. We'll learn how to do this soon. In this video, we learned about creating Docker Hub website menu options,